if we want to create a blog with Blogger, we need to write in Google Blogger and create a blog. And here we need to we are gonna need to log in with a Google account. So the one from the school is okay. We just log in with that account. And here we can choose a title for the blog, but then we can change it, so don't worry too much. And here, this is the difficult step, because here we need to find the website where we are gonna find our blog, and most of the names are already in use. So we need to choose something that is not very common. For example, we can maybe choose Logar, something that is not very common. Maybe you can combine your names. And so well, I'm gonna try with, maybe you can use the name in your logo or something like that. I'm gonna try to with recycled full. Okay, it's okay. This how am I gonna yeah, I'm gonna be teacher. Okay, so this is done and we are in our blog. We can also fix it in English, I think. I have it in Spanish right here. So if we want to create a new post, we just need to say new post. And we are going to create something very fast. We write a title, designing proposals. And these are the designs, anything. And we need to publish, okay? We then can modify it, so don't worry. Let's see how it comes. So we go up here and we can say ver blog somewhere. Well, let's see. .blogspot.com, recycledfull.blogspot.com. That is my blog. I've created this post, and this is the URL. So I can keep modifying it. Here I have many different possibilities in design. I can create different uses. I'm going to close this. So here I can fix some designs. So if I want to fix an index or a banner up here, I can modify it. If I want to change the appearance of my blog, I can also customize it and change the image in the back. I can also add the logo. And here I can include more users for my blog. So here is me only modifying it, but I can include more authors. So here I can invite authors and include my partners. So if you include here the Gmail address of your partners, you're going to be able to modify the blog, the 3 of you or every team member. Just to start, this could fit, and if we want to develop it more, maybe let's see some example. When we develop it more, we can have an index, and there we can go directly to the different posts we have created just with the name, so we can move and read the information we want. We can select it, okay? So we can create an index, and also we can create a banner up here to go and visit some different information. So that will be a result for a blog with Blogger.